effect. Ahead of the upcoming festive season in Meghalaya, the Shillong Municipal Board is conducting various cleaning drives by encouraging youth to be part of this program. As part of the program, the streets of Limekra were cleansed. Mulling the theme Youth versus Garbage, this project urged the youth to join the campaign for Garbage-Free India. Swachh Bharat Mission, Urban and Grameen are jointly organizing the campaign from September 15th to 2nd October 2023. The thought behind the campaign is to mobilize the participation of crores of citizens across the country through activities such as Indian Swachhta League 2.0, Safai Mitra Suraksha, Shivar and cleanliness drives.
The Indian Swachhta League, okay, it's the season 2 of the Swachh Bharat Mission initiative. It started on the 17th of September 2023 till it will go on till the 2nd of October 2023. The ISL, it's a campaign for a garbage-free India. So even the youth are engaged in this. So the youth are participating for a garbage-free India.
The Khasi Students' Union is